Jiangxi Walker Machinery Company, Limited, located at Guangzhou City, Jiangxi Province, China, around world's rich tin, tungsten, wolfram mineral zone. Professional factory for develop, produce, after-sales services for mineral processing machines, gravity separation machinery, alluvial gold washing plant, mineral processing lab testing equipment, widely exporting to Southeast Asia, Africa, South America market. The company supplies samples testing, process flowchart and plant layout design, oversees plant commissioning, machines installation and workers training services. We also support OEM machines, and 20 exporting sales working for you. We have been accumulating rich experience in various mineral processing plants, covering alluvial gold, lode gold, diamond, copper, manganese, lead, iron, coltan, chrome, silica sand, and so on. Build a cooperative relationship with mine located in more than 60 countries, own a good name in the international market, owing to reliable mining machine quality, reasonable processing flow design and satisfying after-service. We also can provide engineering consultation, mineral processing experiments, mine design, installation and commissioning, personal training, track service, management of dressing plant, etc. One package service. Make customer worryless whole process, shorten construction period and get profit earlier. We insist on the management principle of treat customer as God, satisfying all kinds of equipment requirements from customers, supplying speedy and efficient sales and after-sales services, and letting customers enjoy excellent service in whole cooperation. Our core advantages are as below. 1. Experienced, plus 30 years history factory at mining machinery. 2. Technical engineer support, provide engineer team after sales service. 3. Complete set machine, provide complete set mineral processing equipment. 4. Sample testing free, provide sample testing service in factory lab for free. 5. Solution consulting, provide professional mining solution consulting. 6. Flowchart designing and drawing, provide professional flowchart designing and drawing. Door-to-door service, provide engineer door-to-door service for installation, commissioning, starting up and training. Our team always insists on learning and developing advanced technology. Continuous innovation and improvement along with constantly striving for perfection. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon.